Hi grown-ups, welcome back to Kidding Around. My name is Melanie Smith and this is your weekly update. This week your kids will have a Masterpiece Monday lesson, a Wanderlust Wednesday lesson, and a Fun Film Friday lesson. On Monday we'll be talking about the artist Mary Cassatt and Impressionism, and your kids will get to recreate one of Cassatt's famous artworks with shaving cream. On Wednesday, we'll be traveling to Scotland, and your kids will get to make their very own tartan pattern and also their very own kilt. And on Friday, we'll be talking about the movie The Lorax, and your kids will get to make their very own truffula trees. All of the supply lists are below this video, and they're also on the individual videos as well. Thank you so much. Have a great week.